The market is weird right now. I know you've heard it. Springfield homeowners, this is not your typical second quarter. Prices are climbing, but the energy is different. So what's actually going on? Find out in the next 60 seconds. Let's start with the good news. Your home is likely worth more than it was last year ago. Springfield's average sold price just surpassed $739,000, up slightly from last year. That's equity in your pocket. But here's the twist. More homes, 126 of them, closed this past month compared to 118 this time last year. Yet buyers are moving slower, and homes are taking a bit longer to sell, on average about 8 days now. Even with that shift, sellers still have the edge. The average home sold for 102% of list price. So while bidding wars aren't as wild, strong homes still sell over asking. Right now, there are 111 homes on the market with an average list price of $758,000, but they're sitting on the market currently 19 days on average. That gap tells us today's buyers are picky. Presentation and pricing matter more than ever. Areas like Rolling Forest, Keene Mill Station, and Springfield Oaks are holding value and moving well. If you're in one of these neighborhoods, now is your moment. Thinking of selling but not sure what your home could go for? Let's talk strategy. Call me at 202-812-9933 or scan the QR code here for a free home value report. No pressure, just facts. I am Martina, your Springfield expert and your local advantage. Because the sellers don't guess, they move with strategy, and they move with Martina.